Best thing about the quick release Deadman is when you're ready to go, you just pull it and then it pulls right out and you leave the stick. If you wrapped it around the stick, you'd be digging that stick out. Make a trucker stick. We'll use a figure 8 because it's easier to untie. Okay, and then take your stick. Where you bury it, put your stick in the snow with your, bring your cord back out around, then you fill it back in with snow, dump it down, wait for it to harden and tighten it up. The beauty of this is in the morning, you do not have to undo. You just take the stick out. You don't have to dig it out, you just pull the string, your guy cord. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, quite windy. Pull this, get this out, and then you can just pull it out without having to undig the. Here, we'll do this side.